On this episode of Zip Tie Garage, we actually have the camera mounted, as you can see, with the zip tie. Today we're gonna paint the fan shroud on this Volkswagen Bug and also clean up some of the wiring. And what else are we gonna do to it?
And we're gonna change out the generator.
All right, let's get it started. So a little backstory, what year is it?
It's a 1963 Volkswagen Bug.
Volkswagen Bug, okay. How much did you pick it up for?
I picked it up for $200.
$200, man, that's a steal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 200 bucks.
And it's also street legal.
Street legal. So we have a license plate on it?
Oh yeah.
We can ride it on the streets?
Definitely.
You sure?
Yeah.
Legally?
Legally.
See right here, there's supposed to be 4 bolts. We actually had 2 of them snapped, so Joe, what it was doing? It was pretty much moving like that freely. So we have to get that. We need to put all new wiring for the lights, probably change out the steering wheel, and definitely clean up the engine, make it look way nicer, and put some new parts on there, which will go here. It'll get rid of this, put that there. All right, so I'm gonna start taking off the easy stuff. Alright, so we removed the fan shroud from the engine. This is it. We had to remove it with the whole throttle cable on here. This is what it looks like when it's off. Just the generator and the shroud and the fan. Alright, so there's a comparison between the two. It's gonna look real nice. Nice. Alright, let's get to it. Oh, actually, we still have to remove this piece, right?
Yeah. From battery.
Oh, all right, so now we have some what looks like milk.
Yum.
I don't know if you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can. That is not good. All right, so inside you got a whole bunch of white stuff where oil should be, right?
Yeah.
So that's not a good sign, but I think it's from when we were riding it in the rain. We rode it without the air filter. All right, so next we're gonna take the generator out and start prepping this up for paint. We were able to take the fan off, but we had a little incident. We actually broke the nut. It's a little hot, so I can't hold it long, but we actually broke the shaft where the nut goes on. But we sanded down the part. It's time to give it a coat of paint. We're using nutmeg satin. We just finished up the fan shroud, got it back up, and right now I'm tucking in the wires to hide everything, make it look a lot cleaner than it was before. We're finishing up the install right now. So we already cleaned up all the wiring and all that. Next step would be to get the pulley on and then turn on the gas and see what it does from there. We got it back together now. See, all the wiring is all nice and neat. Doesn't look like a rat's nest anymore. We have the new generator. Get everything out of the way. Nothing on the exhaust. Everything's clear. All right, let's give it a go. Will it turn on? Oh, no way. It worked first try. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you think, man?
I think,
surprised?
the generator light's still on.
What do you mean?
Yeah. The generator doesn't work.
No?
Watch.
Well, so you don't think it's charging up the battery?
I mean, we can check.
Yeah, we can check.
Wires backwards.
No, I'm pretty sure I wired everything correctly. But it's always good to double check. So we'll check that right now. But all right, this is the end of the episode. We got it back on, looking nice and neat. Probably hard to see because there's no light.